RYOBI Speedbench mobile workstation combines a cart and workbench in one versatile design. Easily switch between modes with a single motion, making it convenient for both work and storage. The 42-inch by 22-inch durable wood surface supports up to 400 pounds and offers 4-sided edge clamping for tool mounting. In cart mode, the sturdy steel frame and 19-inch skid plate can carry up to 300 pounds. Its 10-inch all-terrain wheels ensure easy transport across job sites. The RIDGID K912 is a compact and portable FlexShaft drain cleaning machine, ideal for light residential blockages. It features a 30-foot FlexShaft cable enclosed in a nylon sheath for minimal mess and easy cleanup. Designed for 1 1/4 inch to 2-inch pipes, it connects to a cordless drill for efficient operation. The chain knocker expands during use, providing thorough wall-to-wall pipe cleaning. With quick setup, fast cleaning, and cordless convenience, it restores full flow capacity in no time. The K912 is perfect for smaller jobs and entry-level drain cleaning. The Chekan manual wood splitter offers a simple and convenient way to chop wood without straining your back. Designed for universal use, it's easy for men and women of all ages to operate. The splitter's design ensures a high level of safety, reducing the risk of injury. Unlike traditional axes, it minimizes lower back strain, making it ideal for people with back issues. Built with durable all-metal construction, this tool guarantees long-lasting factory quality. An affordable option, Chekan is perfect for personal use in rural or DACA settings. The MINOVA vacuum hand rasp is designed for efficient, dust-free sanding of insulation boards and other materials. Its vacuum attachment collects dust, creating a healthier work environment. The rasp allows for quick material removal while ensuring a clean workspace. Made with durable materials, it features an ergonomic grip to reduce fatigue. Compatible with various MINOVA vacuum cleaners, it offers flexibility in workflow, ideal for sanding EPS and XPS boards, smoothing EIF surfaces, and finishing foam blocks. NeoRulerGO is a smart rolling ruler designed for precision and convenience. Its compact design allows for easy carrying in your pocket or bag. With an impressive accuracy of plus or minus 1 millimeter, it measures lengths up to 300 millimeters and includes a built-in scale calculator for versatile measurements. The rechargeable battery eliminates the hassle of replacements, while Bluetooth connectivity enables sharing measurements with your smartphone. Overall, NeoRulerGO combines portability and functionality, making it an essential tool for anyone needing accurate measurements on the go. The WUTA Pro Leather Cutting Machine is a professional-grade tool designed for precision cutting of leather and various materials. Its advanced cutting technology ensures high-precision cuts, making it suitable for a wide range of leather, including hides and scraps. Built for durability, it features sturdy components that enhance its longevity. The machine operates efficiently, cutting through leather quickly to save time and effort. User-friendly controls make it easy to operate, while adjustable cutting depth and multiple modes offer versatility for different projects. Safety features, such as a guard and emergency stop button, further enhance its reliability. The ENERPAC SC series hydraulic pumps are high-performance pumps designed for a variety of industrial applications. Known for their durability and efficiency, these pumps deliver high flow rates, making them ideal for heavy-duty hydraulic tools and equipment. They generate high pressures, allowing them to handle demanding tasks effortlessly. Built to last, the SC series features robust components and a reliable design. Their efficiency ensures that a significant portion of input power is converted into hydraulic pressure. Available in various models, these pumps are versatile and suitable for applications in manufacturing, construction, maintenance, and the oil and gas industry. The Irwin folding 1-in woodworking chisel is a versatile tool designed for woodworking tasks, combining convenience and functionality. Its folding design allows the blade to tuck safely into the handle for easy storage and transport, perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. With a 1-inch blade, it excels in various applications, including paring, mortising, and shaping wood. Crafted from high-quality materials, the chisel offers durable performance over time. The lacquered blade resists corrosion and rust, while the steel strike cap enhances durability and protection. Overall, this chisel is a reliable addition to any woodworking toolkit. The Fer Duotech is a high-performance nylon toggle plug designed for secure fixings in drywall and hollow core walls. Its high load-bearing capacity allows it to support heavy objects like shelves, cabinets, and TVs. The easy installation features a short toggle element for narrow cavities, even with insulation. This versatile plug also works as an expansion anchor in solid materials. The soft gray nylon distributes the load, minimizing damage to surfaces. The pre-assembled collar sleeve simplifies setup, accommodating various screw types for diverse mounting tasks. The Xesto ZW 4170D is a powered stair-climbing trolley designed for easy transport of heavy objects up and down stairs. With a load capacity of 170 kilograms, it effectively handles furniture, appliances, and construction materials. The trolley features a climbing speed of 17 steps per minute, or 34 steps per minute, allowing for efficient movement across various terrains. Powered by a lithium battery, it can ascend 60 to 135 floors without issue. The quiet operation at 70 decibels ensures minimal disturbance during use. Safety certifications, including NRTL and CE, along with an IP54 protection grade, provide peace of mind for users. The IML Risey F-Series is a mechanical drilling device designed to assess wood quality by measuring drill resistance as the needle penetrates. This tool is invaluable in applications such as tree care, where it helps detect internal defects like cavities or rot and evaluates tree stability in urban settings. In construction, it inspects the quality of timber, identifying weaknesses in structural wood. Key features include a cordless design for easy operation, simultaneous recording of measurement profiles on wax paper strips, and a lightweight, compact build for portability. An optional Bluetooth unit allows for digital data acquisition, with various versions available for different drilling depths. The Artech Leo is a professional wireless 3D scanner that combines ease of use with portability. Its intuitive design allows for seamless scanning, resembling video recording, while a built-in touchscreen lets you view and adjust your model in real time. Key features include wireless operation, high-quality data capture, and a large scanning field. It accurately captures vibrant colors without needing tracking markers. The long-lasting battery supports extended sessions, and Wi-Fi connectivity simplifies sharing scans. Ideal for industrial design, healthcare, and heritage preservation, the Artech Leo is a powerful tool for creating detailed 3D models. The Vibar vacuum scraper is a patented tool that efficiently collects chips, dust, and debris while scraping, connecting directly to your wet-dry vacuum's hose. Its innovative design allows for simultaneous scraping and vacuuming, ensuring a clean work area. Featuring an ergonomic grip, it offers comfort during use. The scraper is equipped with a reversible tungsten carbide blade, making it suitable for a variety of projects. It safely contains debris in your vacuum, eliminating the need for messy cleanup. Ideal for tasks like paint removal, wood scraping, and drywall scraping. This tool enhances productivity and cleanliness on the job. The Enar Vibar Ebat is a portable, battery-powered pendulum vibrator designed for efficient concrete compaction in construction. Its battery operation allows for unrestricted movement, eliminating the hassle of cables on the job site. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to transport and handle. This tool produces powerful vibrations while maintaining low noise and vibration levels, enhancing operator comfort. With zero emissions, it promotes eco-friendly practices on site. Ideal for various applications, including foundations and slabs, the Enar Vibar Ebat ensures effective compaction with its 58-volt battery, providing up to 1 hour of continuous use. The ESG Manufacturing PM1 air and grip hog vacuum are vacuum-powered material lifters ideal for safely handling heavy materials. With strong suction capabilities, they can lift up to 150 pounds, making them perfect for hardscape and wet-cast applications. Their ergonomic backpack design allows for easy portability, reducing operator strain. Versatile attachments enable compatibility with various materials and shapes. Built for durability, these lifters enhance efficiency and streamline lifting tasks. Using these vacuums minimizes injury risk and boosts productivity on construction sites and in manufacturing settings. The Skyscraper Telescopic Pole Package is a roofing cleaning system for safely removing moss and debris from the ground. Its adjustable pole extends up to 34 feet, allowing easy access to high roofs without ladders. The multi-directional Skyscraper head adjusts to fit your roof's angle, ensuring thorough cleaning. It includes interchangeable blades designed for various roofing materials, making it user-friendly for all skill levels. This system eliminates fall risks by enabling ground-level cleaning and is a cost-effective alternative to professional services. Enjoy a safer, more efficient way to maintain your roof with this innovative cleaning solution. The Wicked Edge Cobalt is a precision knife sharpener suitable for beginners and experienced users alike. It features a dual-cam vise that securely holds your knife for accurate sharpening. Adjustable angle guide rods allow you to customize the sharpening angle between 13 and 31 degrees to fit your blade profile. High-quality diamond sharpening stones ensure excellent performance and durability. Its compact and portable design makes it convenient for home or travel use. Overall, the WE64 Cobalt offers precision, ease of use, and a cost-effective solution for maintaining sharp knives. The Rapid XP30 is a heavy-duty hollow wall anchor setting tool designed for intensive fastening tasks. Its ergonomic handle features a non-slip rubber surface, ensuring comfortable use without damaging walls. Made from strong aluminum, it offers durability for frequent applications. The flush-mounted design allows for stable pressure application when expanding the plug. Compatible with M4, M5, and M6 rapid hollow wall anchors, it securely fastens heavy objects to plasterboard and drywall. Overall, the Rapid XP30 is an excellent choice for demanding anchoring needs. The Coil Shot condenser cleaning tool is a game-changer for cleaning condenser coils quickly and efficiently. Utilizing a tablet-based system, it dispenses foaming coil cleaner without the need for bulky liquid cleaners. The tool works fast, cleaning single-pass condenser coils in minutes, while its powerful design ensures deep penetration for a thorough clean. It's environmentally friendly, as the non-acidic and non-caustic solution won't harm surrounding vegetation. Compact and portable, it's perfect for both residential and commercial applications. Overall, the Coil Shot saves time, eliminates guesswork, and enhances HVAC efficiency for lower energy bills. The Risey Stone Granite Profile Router Machine is designed for shaping stone edges like granite with precision. Its powerful motor handles tough materials, while variable speed settings optimize performance for different tasks. High-quality diamond router bits ensure sharp cuts and durability. The water cooling system prevents overheating during wet grinding for a smooth finish. With an ergonomic design for comfort, it's easy to use for various applications. Ideal for countertops, tiles, and slabs, it's a valuable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The Tolson 4V cordless screwdriver is a compact and portable power tool ideal for various household tasks, such as assembling furniture and tightening screws. It features a powerful 4-volt DC motor, a long-lasting lithium-ion battery with a quick recharge time, and a reversible forward-reverse switch for versatile operation. The built-in LED light enhances visibility in dimly lit areas, while its lightweight design ensures easy handling and storage. Offering cordless convenience and an affordable price, the Tolson 4V cordless screwdriver is a reliable choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.